Are you struggling to find a specific string in a long list of words in Python? It can be quite a challenge, especially when you want to filter results based on a keyword. But don't worry, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to tackle how to filter a list of strings that start with a specific keyword in Python 2.7. I totally get it. Searching through a large list can feel like looking for a needle in a haystack. If you've ever found yourself sifting through endless strings, you know how frustrating it can be. You're definitely not alone in this struggle. Let's dive into the specific question at hand. One user asked, how can I find a string called partial word inside a list called word list in Python 2.7? They want to ensure that the search only returns results that start with those letters. Sound familiar? If so, let's explore this together. So, what exactly is the issue here? The user has a list of words and wants to filter it based on a keyword. In this case, they want to find words that start with AB. This is a common requirement in programming, especially when dealing with large data sets. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a quick tip that can make your string searches even more efficient. To begin solving this problem, the user should first define the keyword they want to search for. In this case, the keyword is partial word, which is set to AB. Next, the user needs to create a list of words to search through. This list is called word list and contains several strings, including abseil, rehab, and dolphin. Now, the user should filter the list to find words that start with the specified keyword. This can be done using a list comprehension in Python. Finally, the user can print the filtered list to see the results. This will show only the words that start with AB. Fun fact: the first programming languages were created in the 1950s, and they were much less user-friendly than what we have today. Imagine coding without the help of modern IDEs. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution provided by another user involves using a simple loop to filter the list. They suggest iterating through each word in the word list and checking if it starts with the specified partial word. Now, let's see a response from a different user. This user suggests using the cart starts with function to filter your list. They also mention that for more complex operations, you can explore regex patterns. That wraps up that answer. Let's move on to another one. An alternative solution provided by a user involves using a list comprehension to filter the words. They suggest creating a new list that includes only the words from the original list that start with the specified keyword. Here's that quick tip I promised. Always remember to use the starts with method for string filtering. It's a simple yet powerful tool that can save you a lot of time when searching through lists. And there you have it. You now know how to filter a list of strings in Python based on a specific keyword. Remember, practice makes perfect. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more programming tips and tricks.